If Steam is showing error 102, that usually means the client is having trouble loading online content. And the good news is that this is often a network issue you can fix yourself. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to flush your DNS, reset your network, clear Steam's browser data, and change your DNS settings if your internet provider's default DNS is causing the problem. This is a quick and practical fix, so if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's start with the network reset steps. First, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. When command prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as administrator. This is important because the commands we're about to use need admin access to make system-level network changes. Once the command prompt opens, type the commands one by one. After each command, press Enter before moving to the next one. First, type IPconfig/flushdns. This clears out your DNS cache, which can remove old or broken address data that may be interfering with Steam. Next, type IPconfig/release. This releases your current IP address from your network adapter. After that, type IPconfig/renew. This asks Windows to get a fresh IP address from your router or internet provider. Then type netsh Winsock reset. This resets the Winsock catalog, which helps repair network socket problems that can affect Steam connectivity. After you run that command, close command prompt and restart your computer. Don't skip the restart because the changes won't fully apply until Windows loads again. After your PC boots back up, open Steam and go into Settings. From there, click on In-Game and then look for the option to delete web browser data. Steam uses internal browser components for parts of the interface, and clearing that data can fix loading issues that trigger error 102. Delete the browser data, then fully close Steam and reopen it. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your DNS provider. Sometimes your ISP's default DNS is slow, unstable, or not resolving Steam servers properly. In that case, switching to a reliable public DNS can make a big difference. You can do this in Windows Network Settings. Open your Windows Network Settings, go to your adapter or connection properties, and find the DNS server assignment section. Change it from automatic to manual, then enter a public DNS provider. Two of the most reliable options are Cloudflare DNS and Google DNS. For Cloudflare, use 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. For Google, use 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Save the changes, then reconnect your internet if needed and try Steam again. In many cases, combining the DNS flush, Winsock reset, browser data cleanup, and a better DNS provider is enough to fix Steam error 102 completely. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.